friends, today we have a special edition of African drumming. Now, this is something that you actually don't need a bucket for, but I like to do bucket drumming because lots of you have buckets in your garage or somewhere around your kitchen. But also, a lot of you have this thing that I'm holding, and this is called a shoebox, and all of you probably have a shoebox at home. The other thing is to do drumming around the house, because it's so much fun, is that you can just take an ordinary household object like spoons or rulers. If you have either rulers or spoons, you can do this at home. Now, if you're at school, I know a lot of you have rulers. All you have to do is get out your pencil box and do the drumming with us. That easy. So I'm going to give you an example of how you can drum using rulers. So for example, the drumming pattern that you will see that I put up on the board will be above my head actually. And we're just going to keep doing those patterns, and I'll change them, and then every time I change them, I'll change them on the video as well. So here's an example of how you at school or at home can do your own version of bucket drumming. So here we go. So for example, here is the pattern. And that equates to 1 E ended, 2 E ended, 3 and 4 and 1 E ended, 2 E ended, 3, 4. There you go. So I have my shoebox, I have my 2 rulers, and I'm going to play that pattern a couple of times. Then I'm going to turn on the music and play it with the music, and I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to play at school or at home, doing your own version of bucket drumming. Let's go. How'd you do? Wasn't that easy? So that's all it takes. It takes common objects, rulers, shoebox, or if you're at home, wooden spoons actually work really well too. So that's fun, you know. And today I'm going to use a plain old bucket. Woo! That's it. Bucket, some sticks, and we're good to go. Are you ready? So all you're doing is finding something to drum with, whether it be a shoebox, pencil box, rulers, wooden spoons, anything that you have at your house, household item, and you are ready to go. All right, so you have all your supplies. Like I said, we're going to start with that pattern that I just did, and then we're going to do different patterns. But it's a very simple bucket drumming exercise using African drumming music, which who doesn't love African drumming music? I love African drumming music, and I know you love African drumming music too. So let's go. Hopefully you have all your stuff ready to go. Pencils, rulers, pencil box, shoe box, bucket. 1, 2, 3, 4. just love African drumming. All right, we're gonna switch patterns now. And this one's fun because it has rests. And when you have rests in a pattern, it always makes it exciting. Yeah! So it goes like this. You'll see it above my head again. So it's gonna go rest, rest, rest. You got this? All right. Now, I wanted to show you these mallets are so much fun because they have little, it looks like little cotton balls on them. They're actually like timpani mallets. But this is what it would sound like if I used the puffy end. It would go like this. Rest, 1, rest, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. It's just more muffled. But to get the effect of the bucket drumming, you use the wooden end of the stick. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. I hope you guys are enjoying this drumming. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this edition of African bucket drumming. Yeah, yeah, you got this. Yeah. See you next time.